U for umbrella. U for unhappy. U for unicorn. U for urchin. U for unicycle. U for unwrap. U for utensils. U for underline. U for under. U for up.